What's going on, guys? I'm gonna actually be speaking this round, and we're doing a pack opening on Madden Mobile. I've got about, make sure that's recording. I've got about 70 packs to open. We're gonna open all of them. Alright, so let's get these ones out of the way. Here, select all, open all. Alright, let's see. Open, let's see what we get here. No, not good at all. Alright, 64. Okay, stamina, I'll take the stamina. Alright. 66, okay. Doesn't look like we're gonna get anything in these bonus packs, so I'll just, 20 training points. I could use the training points. I'm just gonna go really fast, okay, whatever. Stamina, I'll take the stamina. I mean, sure, more games for me. Boom. Okay, and then I'm gonna do NBA Live later, maybe tomorrow. See what this is. Okay, I'll take the training points any day. Let's see, and then now we got veterans bag. Alright, whatever. I'll take the coins. That's almost 2,000 coins. Sure. Let's see, more points. I'll take those for sure. 1,800, I'll take that. Just free coins, heck yeah. Heck yeah. I'm bundling up them coins. Okay. Sure, that'll work. Okay, let's see. There was a pack that I really wanted to open, but you know, wait. Sorry, it's going so slow. There. Okay, I'm not getting very much in these. I'm not getting anything good in these packs, that's all. What's that? Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm not getting very good packs. Oh, I get to select? Ooh, what do I want? I think I might have to take the 5,000 coins. Ooh, how many do I get to pick? I think I'll take all the coins. Oh, go back. Oh, then I'll take the 400 training. Ooh, captain's badges. I'll do the 400 coins. That works, so that's 7,500 coins. Legends, okay. Those we can use to get good packs. Let's see what those were. Okay, Phenom tokens. Okay. Take those. Free whatever. Phenom tokens. Alright. These, I have no clue what's going to be in here. Okay, equipment crap. Probably that's all it's going to be. Okay. Madden mint coin. Okay. No, I didn't get much there, did I? Nope. I'll go slower. Okay. Yeah, I don't need any of those. I can probably sell them. Joe Webb. Alright, Team of the Week pack. So I'm just going to get badges in these ones. Okay. Ooh. What's that? 72 safety? I mean, I'll take it. And then 1,000 coins. 1,000 coins again, I'll take that. Okay, I'm fine with getting all those coins for sure. Now I can buy my players. Go faster. Reveal, okay, I know. Okay, Titans one, these ones. I don't know what these are supposed to be. Okay, just a bunch of Titan players, okay. I'm a Niners fan, by the way. I got the same guy twice. Oh, I need to update my team then after that. Hold on, I will in a sec, I guess. Oh, I'll take those badges. If we get Niners one, let's go. Let's go! I called it. Nice, I'll take those. Heck yeah. Alright, Super Bowl pack. Well, let's see. This is the one I wanted to do for sure. Ooh! I knew it. Yeah, let's go. I'll take those. Elites. Oh, elites. I keep getting elites. Alright, let's see. This login player pack. Ooh! CJ MOSLEY. No, I'm good. Do I have any more packs? Alright. That's it for this video. Let's go to my team. Yeah, my team's not very good. I already know. Look at that, though. I mean, they're decent. Alright, thank you guys. Have a good night. Oh, next up, we're doing NBA Live pack openings. I got a bunch of pro packs to open in that.